Seth Gary again here with Access Tonneau Covers. I'm going to show you the new LoMax Pro that we have here. This is going to be the same thing that we have with our LoMax with the matte black finish, plate finish here. As you can see, all seamless, no seals again. As you can see, it's a nice sleek design here. Sits about a ½ inch above the box of the cover. You're not going to have any seals exposed, no plastic clips or anything like that. So how to use this one is very similar to the other LoMax. Release the latches on the back here. Flip it up into the dry position when you want to haul something a little smaller, or when you need to haul your quad, motorcycle, or anything like that. You'll secure the straps, secure the panels into the front of the cover. Come back here, you'll release, lift up a little bit, pull back, yank it off. Now you're ready to haul pretty much anything you need in your box. And when you're done hauling, come back, grab it, secure it on the vehicle again, unleash the tabs, and secure it. And that, my friends, is the new LoMax Pro. The capacity on this cover is going to be 600 pounds.